নমস্কাৰ সকলোকে স্বাগতম জনাইছো নিমাত ষ্টাডি পইণ্ট চেনেলটোলৈ আজি আমি এই ভিডিঅ'টোৰ মাধ্যমেৰে BA BSc এণ্ড BCom সেকেন্ড সেমিষ্টাৰ AEC ইংলিছ কমিউনিকেশ্যন ইউনিট 1 আণ্ডাৰষ্টেণ্ডিং কমিউনিকেশ্যন শীৰ্ষক পাঠটোৰ সকলোবোৰ মোষ্ট ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট 1 আৰু 2 নম্বৰৰ প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰ আলোচনা কৰিম যদি তুমি এতিয়ালৈকে এই চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰা নাই তেন্তে প্লিজ চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিবা আৰু এইটো ভিডিঅ' তোমালোকৰ বন্ধু-বান্ধৱী অথবা AEC ইংলিছ কমিউনিকেশ্যনৰ হোৱাটছআপ গ্ৰুপত শ্বেয়াৰ কৰি দিবা সো বলা তেন্তে বেছি পলম নকৰি আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টো আমি আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ কোৱেশ্চন নম্বৰ 1 where is the word communication derived from answer the English word communication is derived from the Latin word communis which means common ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল ভিডিঅ'টো আগবঢ়োৱাৰ আগতে এটা সুখবৰ তোমালোকৰ বাবে আমি অতি কম মূল্যত মাত্ৰ 29 টকাত BA BSc and BCom second semester AEC English Communication 1 model questions and answers e-book তৈয়াৰ কৰিছো যোৱা বছৰ যিসকল ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীয়ে এই ই-বুকটো ডাউনলোড কৰিছিল তেওঁলোকৰ ফাইনেল এক্সামত 99% কমন পৰিছিল বুলি তেওঁলোকে জনাইছে তোমালোকেও যদি এই ই-বুকটো ডাউনলোড কৰিব বিচৰা তেন্তে স্ক্ৰিনত দিয়া হোৱাটছআপ নম্বৰত তোমালোকে মোৰ মেনেজাৰৰ লগত কন্টেক্ট কৰিবা ধন্যবাদ কোৱেশ্চন নম্বৰ 2 What does the term communication refer to? Answer: the term communication refers to the sharing of ideas in common. In other words, it is the transmission and interaction of facts, ideas, opinions, feelings or attitudes. Question number 2. What are the two parties without which communication is not possible? Answer: communication cannot take place without two parties, receiver and the sender. The information which is sent by the sender must be understandable to the receiver. Question number 4. How old the process of communication? Answer: communication is as old as human civilization. Question number 5. What were the various forms of communication in old days? Answer: communication was in the forms of codes, indications, signals and expressions. Question number 6. What is the literal meaning of communication? Answer: literally, communication means to tell, show and spread the information and inform. Question number 7. What do you mean by medium? Answer: medium are the storage and transmission channels or tools used to store and deliver information or data. Question number 8. What is the relation between communication and decision making? Answer: decision making is the core of management process. The relationship of communication and decision making is inseparable since decisioning must rely on information. Question number 9. Communication is a way process. 1 or 2? Answer: 2. Question number 10. Mention various forms of communication. Answer: communication may take several forms: order, instruction, report, queries, etc. It may be verbal or written. It may be formal or informal. Question number 11. How is communication a dynamic process? Answer: communication is influenced by the mood and thinking of the sender and receiver. It keeps on changing depending upon the level of understanding of the sender and receiver. Question number 12. Is communication goal oriented? Answer: communication is goal oriented and is effective only when there is a congruence of goals of the sender and the receiver. Question number 13. What is the main purpose of communication? Answer: the main purpose of communication is to influence the human behavior which creates interpersonal relations. Question number 14. What indicates the success of the communication? Answer: after the feedback, the receiver of the original message is required to transmit another message. The response indicates the success of communication. Question number 15. How is communication a circular process? Answer: there is circular flow of communication in the communication process. After the feedback, the receiver of the original message is required to transmit another message. The response indicates the success of the communication. Question number 16. How is the right means and mode of communication chosen? Answer: the right means and mode of communication is chosen after considering various factors like cost, resource, organization, size and policy, etc. Question number 17. Why is feedback important? Answer: whether the message sent by the sender is understood in same terms by the receiver and not can be judged by the feedback received. Question number 18. Communication is a continuous and interpersonal process. True or false? Answer: true. Question number 19. Who is a sender in communication? Answer: a sender is the source or initiator of the communication with ideas, intentions, information, and a purpose for communicating. Question number 20. What is the message in the process of communication? Answer: the sender encodes meaning into a message that can be transmitted. The message represents the meaning the source is trying to convey. Question number 21. What is the function of encoding? Answer: the function of encoding is to provide a form in which ideas and purpose can be expressed as a message. The result of the encoding process is the message. Question number 22. What does the encoding process involve? Answer: encoding involves translating the sender's intent or ideas into a systematic set of symbols or gestures. So মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, আজিলৈ এইখিনিয়ে। আশা কৰোঁ এই ভিডিঅ'টো তোমালোকক সহায় কৰিছে। যদি ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল লাগিছে তেন্তে এইটো ভিডিঅ' তোমালোকৰ বন্ধু বান্ধৱী অথবা AECৰ হোৱাটছআপ গ্ৰুপত শ্বেয়াৰ কৰি দিবা। চেনেলটো যদি এতিয়ালৈকে ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰা নাই তেন্তে প্লিজ চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিবা।